We're recording tutorial on how to do the fast editing with Dockerfile and all those interesting things. So what I have here is Docker Compose. Here it goes, and usually what I have is just to go on localhost. I do some hotkeys. Can I? No. I need to manually copy paste it here and remove the brackets. Oh no. Why there's no automated? So you see Swagger nicely, and we see all this like beautiful description that we all like, and it is collected automatically from our endpoints. And yeah, let me just grasp it around. So we have get, post, delete, and probably for one entity, for one model, we have all possible kind of iterations with it, and also get single. Yes, it's basically list and get single, and we could edit that, right? What is it? It is update. I see put update, right? We update it somehow, yeah, and delete it. So basically we can do everything we want with the resource. We can create it, we can delete everything, we can get everything, we can get single one, update single one, delete single one. That's what we can do. Let's move on. And also we have our database, because in Docker Compose we define that we want everything to go up. And so you see Postgres, DB, and yeah, that's it. Postgres and oh sorry, yeah, so here are services. Postgres, database, admin for us, and database. So database, and database. Where is Swagger? Where is my Swagger? So store depends on PostgreSDB. It also depends on PostgreSDB, right? Is it? Does it? No. So PG admin does not depend on PostgreSDB, and also PostgreSDB doesn't depend on anything. Yeah, okay, that's interesting. This is like, where is our Swagger? Who's responsible for Swagger? 5432 8000. Where is it? Like this Swagger kind of 8000. Okay, where is it? Oh, okay, store. So container name is store, but actually it is a Swagger file. It seems that it is a Swagger file. Okay, anyway, let's so what port do we have? We have 5432. That's the one. I always, by the way, like forget which one is inside container, which one is outside the container. When they are the same, it doesn't matter, because most of the time they're the same. So we go here, right? Yes? No? No. So 50-50. Where's 50-50? Oh, okay. So this is outside the container. This is inside the container. And we expose it to the world, so we can do 50-50. 50-50. To go inside Postgres admin. And what do we have here? Where's my login? Where's my password? So this password. Okay. This is login. Okay, ROOT. Okay, login. Yeah, that's right. How's our stream? Okay, we are streaming. That's great. Sorry for my microphone. Hopefully it'll adjust automatically, because like I'm spinning 3 containers at the same time. So what do you expect from me, right? And so yeah, maximum volume. Hopefully it will adjust automatically. It shouldn't be like that, like all the time. Sorry for that. Sorry. And yeah, that's what I want. Yeah, okay. Okay, better? Oh, I'm sorry with this. Incorrect username and password. Ooh, 2 more attempts remaining. Let's just do like old, so default email, right? We use this one just as a random guess, right? So I select it here, I press middle button, it'll paste. Did I wrote like were I not able to enter the password correctly? Let's see. Oh really? Were I not able to write like 4 letters first time? I really need to copy paste it. Okay, yeah, you see? Oh, sorry, all my emails now live. I better close this up. Anyway, it's educational. I doubt that you'll find something interesting there. Okay, and by the way, where am I streaming? Like, what platform is it? Like, where does it go? I'm streaming somewhere and I don't know where. Anyway, so we have Postgres. Okay, we have the Swagger, we have Postgres. That's great. Yeah. Anything else? Huh? Anything else? How do I move it to my another screen? New window, new product, open profile manager. Move. Okay, I move it here. I move it here where I want. So yep, just so I see two browsers, and now we have a browser inside, and we can do everything we want. Like, this is like, yeah. So let me guess. All our database are here. No, where is our data? Where's our data? Is something wrong here? So there should be data. Oh, actually we didn't. So we didn't call it. So what data do you want, right? So how do I call it? Try it out. Okay. Create new. Okay. No parameters. Application design. Is it running? Let me also open the. Where's my backend? So I have Postgres database. Invalid length of startup packet. Are you running out of memory or what? Anyway, so it just log. It's not like warning. It's not even a warning. It's not even a warning. Not an error. So it's just a log. Forget about it. So execute. Maybe I need to click it. Okay, we got a response. Is it successful? Tell me, is it successful? Checkpoint complete. Okay, it does its own. Like, this container is like on its own wave, on its own frequency, right? Response body null. It's ugly. So response headers, unicorn. I know it's unicorn, but unicorn. String details validation. Or what is gonna, like, is 200? Is it 400? Well, how do I read it? So let's try again. So because body required and store anything in the store. Oh, okay, we see it. Yeah, we got successful response. That's what I want. Just tell me everything's okay. Like, that's, I didn't need anything else. And you see, when I open this page, interestingly enough, it sends a GET request. So that's, so I ask, where is our Swagger stored? It is stored inside a backend under this endpoint. So basically, this store is our backend, and we access it. So we access our backend here. Well, there's nothing inside here, but basically that's how we access our backend. And docs is just a page. It's just an endpoint that you get when you go here. It needs to be lowercase, but you get the idea. Okay, so that's it. And schema, is it for us? Is it just some general? Oh, so those are our Python classes, right? Those are taken from where's everything? Okay, models. And tell me you don't know what Pydantic is? Is it inside requirements? It's not. Okay, it is. Okay, it is. Anyway, I'll install that later. Maybe not, because it's in Docker anyway, right? Why is it? Do you need this Python interpreter? Actually, the smart thing you can do is have the here. So to have here not Python interpreter, but to have here Docker interpreter. So Docker environment. And for that, you need a PyCharm Professional. This is like not professional project. This is just for studying, educational stuff. So Docker environment is not available here as an interpreter. That's why I have this warning here. But we don't care. We don't want to install it inside virtual environment because Docker, like container, is our environment. Okay. So what else do I do here? Okay, I got like you can do all this stuff. Oh yeah, now what I want. So I created them right a couple of times. Let's try it one more time. Okay, let's go baby, and one more time. Okay, we've created a bunch of resources called agent data. So we created everything is data, right? I need to call it agent data. Well, anyway, so you just call it. I would call it just like processed agent. What do you mean processed agent? Okay, but yeah, without data, like it doesn't tell anything. Did it return anything? Okay, so this is our responsibility. I like it. You see, you remember? Do you remember? We've created something a couple of times. It's all the same, like 0, 0, 0, whatever. Like I don't care. Like, ID is different. Okay, right. So it works. Like it increments ID. So it's not like stupid simple. And also timestamp. And what I like about this timestamp is that it is standard. So we like date, t, time, and time. Okay, I like it. Let's move on to that. So we have it, right? We have it, and here we could like try it out. And oh yes, I can fill that in, and it is so much easier and quicker than trying to set up your own like endpoints in Postman or play with curl or any other way. Like yeah, I like Swagger. It is actually open API specification. I like open API specification to be more abstract and specific. Open API is it's awesome. So where were we? We were exploring, and now we want to have something in our database. Do I need to click some buttons? Where do I go? Now I really need a preference. Where do I click? Like where is everything stored? Oh, help me! It looks like I really need to support. I really need to find somebody. Okay. Who is there to help me here? Why is there nothing? Let's go back to documentation. That's probably where we should be, like all the time. But yeah, so at this step already, we don't have what this guy has. So let's look at the link. Browser, yes, browser. I remember that. So browser. What else? Right. What did you click? Object Explorer. So object. Yes, I have Object Explorer. Reset layout. Object. Register. Server. Create group. Oh, help me, please. Refresh. If I needed to refresh manually, if it's stupid enough not to refresh on its own. Luckily for you, it is not stupid enough. That means somebody else in the room. Okay, so user story for testing. Okay. Is it manual? Is it description? Yeah, it is. Okay. They somehow managed to open this test. Like, oh, okay, I see. They have it here. So they entered something here. If I need to, why do I need to select it manual? Oh, come on. Where is it? Ah. So, file open, file preferences. Oh, just show me everything you have. Register server. Parameters, SSH terminal, advanced. So, oh, really? You remember all my names? Yada blah. Huh? Hostname or service? Save? No? I guess, like not needing connection. Oh, okay. Hostname, what was it? test db, test underscore db, test underscore db. If I really need to do that, why it's not automated? If it works, I have a question. Why it's not? Okay, it doesn't work. I'm satisfied. It doesn't work because it needs me to figure it out. And do we have some errors in there? Postgres admin, let me open you. Okay, and it also knows that I sent some request to it. Because yeah, I sent this request on browser, so it's not like a request on. Okay, like no errors for me as I see. So what's wrong with you? Like, could you show me everything you've got? Show me everything you've got. No? Okay, no. A new server. PostgreSQL documentation, dear OPG admin. No. No. Tools. Schema diff. No, something is authentication. Okay, I need to make a screenshot. Sorry for that, and